Everyone watching this video might have a connection with DIY car maintenance or professional car repairing tasks. And it's obvious you will strive for such tools that will reduce your maintenance costs and meet your mechanical needs. So in this video, we will show you some amazing car repair tools that are on another level. Cut half the time while cleaning your windshield. This Windshield Wow is a professionally designed tool that comes with magnetic paddles to clean up your car's front glass, both inside and out. Forget all the regular cleaning tools that annoyed you a lot and took a lot of time. This intelligently built tool over here will save you from all those hassles. Let's see how it works. First, you have to press microfiber cloth on both exterior and interior paddles. Then spray a standard streak-free cleaner on both cloths. Place the exterior paddle outside of the shield and attach the other one inside. Are you ready to go? The perfectly sized handles let you grab it firmly and move it around with ease. Both sides will be cleaned at once, as the interior cloth moves simultaneously with the exterior pad. Seems like a big fruit picker, right? Well, it's actually a bearing puller that every workshop owner often uses. This SKF EasyPull equips with spring-operated arms and a string design, which offers you the most efficient and safest way of pulling. It simply allows you to position the puller behind the component with just a single movement. However, you can handle the tightest application safely, as the sturdy design of the tool lets you dismount components quickly. With the self-centering capability and nosepiece, it helps you to avoid shafts damaging issues. And the self-locking arms eliminate the risks of the puller slipping under load. Well, the double hexagonal heads ease every operation with constant withdrawal force. Every car mechanic strives to have the best torque wrench when it comes to tightening or loosening critical fasteners. That's why the Norbar Protronic Plus comes into play. It's a high-precision wrench that works with Bluetooth and a dedicated app for more intuitive control. This features a wide variety of torque ranges between 0.45 and 800 Newton meters, which allows you to handle tons of bolts and nuts with different demands. The best pro of the wrench is it comes with a T-handle that reduces tightening effort and keeps you absolutely fatigue-free. Plus, it offers 5 easily selectable torque units for accurate results on different applications, and can program up to 50 presets for time-saving setups. And the progressive LEDs, along with the audible alerts, maintain the highest accuracy from job to job. Imagine yourself in the middle of nowhere with a punctured tire. Isn't that too irritating? You better keep this Slime Smart spare tire repair kit in the back trunk of your car to avoid such kind of situations while on the go. It allows you fully repair your flat tire in just minutes. This kit comes with an efficient slime tire repair sealant and a powerful inflator that only takes 2 simple steps to get you back on the road. First, remove the valve cap and attach the slime sealant hose to it. Second, remove the sealant valve and attach the tire inflator hose. Then, simply plug the tool into your car's accessory outlet, and the rest of the work will be done automatically. When the job is complete, simply turn off the inflator. No cord, no electricity, no hassle. Give your car a gleaming look with this Meguiar's MT300 Dual Action Polisher. It simplifies your car polishing in a simple yet effective way. With precision machine design and digital torque management, it lessens the hassle of car polishing after rough maintenance. On top of that, the thumb-adjustable speed dial keeps you flawlessly going through a wide variety of tasks and surfaces. It also delivers a superior final polish in waxing and compounding. Thanks to its excellent weight-to-size ratio, you can carry and maneuver it with the fullest confidence, having zero fatigue. Hold on! The Ergonomic D-handle maintains ease of operation while providing a firm grip, keeps your car's condition top-notch and shining all the time. Getting a messy interior is inevitable after every maintenance project, so you need the best cleaning solution near your hand. Meet Tornador Z010, the quickest way of cleaning all automotive surfaces. This tool competes with all the regular air compressors to blast away all the dirt and spots into tight crevices that you can't reach by hand. It cleans everything: carpet, plastics, and upholstery inside the car. You can also handle some exterior cleaning too, such as wheels, convertible tops, body seams, and all. It lets you tackle the most challenging detailing jobs with second-to-none ease. With the cone-shaped nozzle and oscillating tip, it creates a tornado cleaning action for both soft and hard surfaces. And the superb suction capacity vacates stubborn grime instantly from fabrics or carpets. It cleans where other tools can't. Next on the list is the CamAttack Bendit 2.0. It's a convenient flanging tool that features a special pneumatic hammer with different attachable folding jaws to flange sheet metal parts of vehicles in a time-saving way. In addition, it includes two 90-degree jaws for regular applications. Well, Bendit 2.0 works in a simple method and takes a few steps to flange a metal sheet like wheel arch. Thanks to its special impact hammer that drives the sheet metal into the fold of the jaw, it reduces the vibrations to bring ultimate accuracy. Plus, you'll get individual folding jaws for different shapes and diameters to work as simply as possible. While removing expensive car glasses manually, it is very common to damage them. Keeping that in mind, the Equalizer has designed this Blackhawk BH2019 to provide ample power for quickly removing the most difficult glasses. Most importantly, it comes in a compact design that makes it very easy to maneuver in tight spaces and has a perfect weight distribution for achieving the best outcome. On top of that, it includes a sturdy bullet blade that lets you precisely remove the glass from adhesives. Worried about the stability? Well, the BH2019 features enough powerful motor that never compromises in power delivering consistency, meaning there's no room for vibration. As the day passes by, your car starts showing signs of age, especially the tires. And if you want to get the true roundness or textured surface of the tires, it's high time you pick this Milwaukee low-speed tire buffer. This M12 low-speed tire buffer delivers superior performance, absolute control, and a great runtime to replace pneumatic solutions in your workshop. Long story short, it simply changed the way pros used to buffer tires before. This tool can be used for drilling and flat repair at the same time. On top of that, you can maintain consistency in action with its 2-speed modes. However, you can complete around 30 regular tasks on a single charge. To deliver perfect illumination in dark, dim spaces, the M12 tire features a pre-built LED on the head. No car workshop is complete without a creeper, so let's conclude the list with this Creepbeck's Fastback Pro. Despite having an ordinary look, this creeper boasts a bunch of cool features. This Fastback Pro delivers incredible control and ultimate stability with the 7-inch dual-tread all-terrain wheels. It can roll over pretty much anything around your busy garage floor. On top of that, you'll get added comfort and effortless maneuverability, since it has exceptional ergonomics. And the coolest part hits here when you can apply more power for tightening jobs with its 3-wheeler design. Last but not least, the magnetic work lights and integrated tool trays keep the repairing accessories nearby and let you go well through all challenging hours. So, that was the list of the most amazing car repair tools that are on another level. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.